Remove the tray, the film, and the film holder. Before shipping the device, ensure there is absolutely no liquid left in the machine. Empty the ink bottle. After opening, use the ink within 3 months. Otherwise, due to time and environmental factors, it may expire and lead to printhead clogging. Pour plenty of clean water into the ink bottle to rinse it thoroughly. Ensure that no ink residue or old ink is left in the ink bottle. Wipe the ink bottle clean. Place a piece of paper over the opening. During transportation, liquid may leak onto the main board and printhead, potentially causing damage. So, before transport, make sure the ink is completely emptied. Pour in clean water several times to rinse, then fully drain all wastewater. Empty the ink from the dampers. Use a syringe to completely draw out the ink. After emptying the ink, install the moisturizing device to protect the printhead. This moisture device comes with the printer. Pour some moisturizing liquid into the bottle. Then insert the ink tube into it. Use a syringe to draw the moisturizing liquid from the dampers. Draw 5 ml of moisturizing liquid from each damper. Each damper should be filled with moisturizing liquid. Open the lid. Remove this screw slightly in front of the capping station. Clean the waste ink tank at the bottom of the waste ink pump. Wrap the dampers in plastic bags to prevent ink leakage. Now you can install the moisturizing device to effectively keep the printhead moist and reduce the risk of clogging. Make sure the carriage is secured in the carriage station. Open the side cover and use a syringe to draw liquid from the waste ink tube. To fill the printhead with the moisturizing liquid, do not pull it suddenly or with excessive force. This may damage the printhead. Draw until the waste ink tube is filled with clear moisturizing liquid. Once the printhead is filled with moisture, remove the moisture device. After removing the moisture device, draw another 5 ml of moisturizing liquid from the waste ink tube to prevent excess liquid from staying on the ink pad, which could come into contact with the circuitry during shipping. During unpacking, do not discard the removed L bracket, as it may be required for future repackaging. Use the L bracket to secure the carriage in place during transport. Use zip ties to secure the belt and the waste ink tube. Place the printer in the box. The printer is now ready for transport.